No, that's not. You do. I think you don't need to do it, Jilana. Come on. You have to be fast though. Yeah, come on. It's okay. You can do that when you're bigger, right? Not yet. Not yet ready. Where you going? Okay. Do you wanna wear your helmet? Whew. Init, guys. I wanna follow you. Isa. Oh, where you going? Okay. Oh, grabe, guys. It's too far. Oh, Daddy, be careful. Here. You said stay here. Whoa, good job. Galing na niya magbike ah. Good job. Daig pa niya ako magbike, guys. Good job. Alaska. Nice. Good job. That was a good job, Jelana. Alaska seas. Oh, did you see? Fine. Strawberry. You wanna go get some there? And yeah, over there on the other side. Oh, oh, you're exercising. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Thank you, Joanne. Make you strong, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang daming ano ni Marimar, ay ni Marimar, ni Maricar. Maricar, ang dami mong ano alagad. Wow! Okay, that makes you strong. Maricar, ang dami mong alagad Get up now. Your sister are coming. Whoa! Whoa! Why it's there? Go on the other side. No, it's not. Ilocos sis. Yeah. Huh? Oh, I didn't see it. Oh, why you didn't call us? Well, you guys should have come up here. Mhm. That she said she's seen a jet. Yeah. Yes. Yep. You have to go on the other one. There's so much in there. You cannot jump. Yay. Ang galing ah. Who teach you that, anak?